At the very outset, I would like to thank the Innerville Circle, Orchid Gantok, for inviting me to this show. From the time I was enrolled as a student in school to the time I've come here to this stage, of course, it took long years. I was in the professional level for almost 35 years, working as an assistant engineer and rose up to the rank of the secretary and worked in various departments like the PHE department, roads and bridges department. Thereafter, I had to change my course and then come into the political scenario where, of course, it was a new place for me to perform and to showcase my performances. The basic thing which inspired me was one of the saying that goes, whatever you do, do well, for when you go to the grave, there will be no work, no planning or knowledge or wisdom. Taking into account all these sayings, I put my heart, mind and soul in whatever I undertook. As far as my profession, which you must be very well aware of, I was quite successful in my profession also. And now once I have come into this political arena, even though it's a new platform, I'm trying to get into it and trying to enroll and learn from all the dealings and other day-to-day activities with the people. Of course, when I was enrolled as a secretary, I had to deal with social activities and social causes, but then coming into politics, you have a bigger platform where you have a bigger role to play as far as society is concerned. The first and foremost thing as far as touch is concerned, we need to have proper communication. And for proper communication, we need to be accessible to the people. And for being accessible in this era, we have a lot of technologies comprising of digital technology, where you can involve smartphones, social media, and even personal touch with the people at large. So that's how I would like to come to touch with the people and work in close proximity with them so that the matters can be relayed and worked out accordingly. Well, the philosophy behind my work, as I was saying, we need to have passion. In whatever we do, we need to be committed, dedicated, so that at the end we come out with good results. And above all, we need to be good humans. And being a good human being, you need to reach out to the people in general so that whatever their issues may be there, they may have some problems, we'll try to resolve those issues. But of course, being a human being and being in a particular place, we also have limitations. So to whatever extent I can help the people or do something for the cause of my state, Sikkim, for the Sikkimis, and not confining myself to Sikkim only, I would like to reach out to the world also. Life is not a bed of roses. Sometimes you have ups and downs, and sometimes you have sunny days, sometimes you have rainy days. So you've got to take it as it comes. And then while doing your job, there are a lot of restraints and constraints, but we have to work towards it to make things easy and to see that we move on flawlessly. That will benefit not only Sikkim or the Sikkimese people, but the entire world. Well, this being a hilly state, and then the most important factor, what governs the stability of the place, is drainage. So we see a lot of drainage works which needs to be improved upon, which needs to be looked into, and the works needs to be taken up are the Jhoda training works, where most of the runoff is disposed of, or the water where there is spilled over is disposed of. This takes a massive form during monsoon, and that causes a lot of catastrophe and damages on the downstream. So we need to train the Jhodas, make the drains proper in the first stage. Besides the drains, the roads which are there, which needs to be corrected, and which a lot of roads needs to be taken up also. For that we are already in the process. Estimates have been framed and it's in the process. And our Honorable Chief Minister has been very kind enough, and he has sanctioned some of the schemes also. And hopefully all these tender works will be completed by August, September, and after the monsoon is over, all the construction works of roads will be taken up from October onwards. Because of the constraint in the accessibility due to of lack of roads and built up areas in steep terrain, only thing we can do is take up footpaths for the people to walk up and down. Street lights are provided with proper safety measures. On and above, we are trying to make community centers in different places, like in Pani House, it's under construction. In Danagaon also we propose to make a community hall. Middle Tadum also, they require a community hall. So for these also steps are being taken to formulate proper schemes so that these can be taken up in due course of time. Finally, I would like to tell the people that whatever you do, you need to have a heart for it. Because whatever you do, if we do it with the whole mind, body and soul, we can be successful in it. And without a commitment and without a passion, we cannot put our whole body, mind and soul into the jobs we do. And unless and until we put our whole effort, we cannot succeed. So I wish you all a successful road ahead. Put your mind, body and soul in whatever you do and come out successful at the end. Thank you.